You're broke, but you're not broken. There's broke, and then there's broke, where every decision feels like a battle. Do I eat or pay the bill? Do I ask for help or pretend I'm okay? No one sees the panic. No one hears the silence, but listen carefully. Being broke is not the end of your story.
It's a part where transformation starts. When you have nothing, the only direction left is forward, and forward is where everything changes. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because life has kept you in survival mode. You've been solving emergencies instead of building solutions, and that's not your fault. But staying there is your choice. The first step isn't making more money. It's respecting the little you have. Track every cent. Cut out what drains you. Save what little you can. It's not about the amount. It's about the mindset. Control comes before increase. Thoughtful. Try this. 1. Write down everything you spend for 7 days. 2. Cancel one useless expense. 3. Save a small amount. Even $1 matters. Degrees can help, but skills pay faster. Can you write, edit, cook, sell, fix, teach? There's someone in the world who will pay for what you can do, but only if you show up. Pick one high-demand skill. Writing, design, teaching, cleaning, video editing. Watch tutorials for 30 minutes daily. Offer your service to one person this week, free if you have to. Success doesn't come from one big move. It comes from dozens of small wins, stacked daily. Make your bed, show up on time, drink water. These tiny victories rebuild your belief, and belief is the currency of change. Try this. 1. Create a checklist. One small daily action. Read, walk, apply for jobs, create something. 2. Track it for 7 days straight. 3. Don't break the chain. Millions of people around the world are broke, not just in money, but in hope. But the difference between staying broke and rising from it is one step. You don't need more motivation, you need movement. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. That's not cliche, that's the truth. Subscribe to Tiny Step Up. We don't promise quick fixes. We offer tiny steps forward until your story changes. You may be broke now, but you're not broken, not even close.